The Curious Case of Slugabed. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idiomatic expressions. The phrase we're exploring is slugabed. Let's get started and unravel the mystery behind this unique phrase. The term slugabed is a somewhat old-fashioned English term that describes someone who stays in bed late because they're lazy or don't want to get up. It's a combination of two words, slug, which means slow-moving or lazy, and bed. When you put these words together, you get an image of someone lounging around in bed, perhaps a bit too long. To truly understand slugabed, it's helpful to look at its components. 1. Slug. This word has a few meanings. It can refer to a gastropod, like a snail without a shell, but in this context, it implies something or someone slow-moving or lethargic. 2. Bed. This one's straightforward. It's where we sleep or rest. Combine them, and the imagery becomes clear. A person who's so lazy, they're like a slow-moving creature in bed. Now, let's look at how you might use slugabed in everyday conversation. 1. Wake up, you slugabed. We have a busy day ahead. 2. She's such a slugabed on weekends. You won't see her before noon. 3. I can't believe I was such a slugabed this morning. I missed the early train. Remember, while it's a playful term, it might not be familiar to everyone, especially younger generations or those not well versed in older English idioms. There you have it, folks. The charming phrase, slugabed, captures the essence of those cozy mornings when we just can't or don't want to leave our beds. We hope this video has enlightened you about this delightful English idiom. Keep exploring, and until next time, avoid being a slugabed and seize the day.